Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to unlock the magic of piano improvisation using just 3 simple steps. First, use chords and song. Second step, melody in the right hand, like this. And so on, we will see later. And third step, a left hand accompaniment, like this. But first, listen to the improvisation. It is inspired by the picture, a couple. Let's improvise to express this kind of love and passion. After listening, we'll go to the 3 steps. Song. But let's dive right in. First step, use chords. Create your own beautiful piano music using a super simple chord progression. A minor, A, C, E, C major, C, E, G, G major, G, B, D, and D minor, D, F, A. First, just play these as block chords in your left hand, nice and slow. Let your ear get used to how they sound together. This is your harmonic palette, like the colors you will paint with later. So let's go to step 2. Melody in your right hand. Once you have got the chords down, we can start creating melodies. The easiest way, use notes from the chord you are playing, plus the occasional passing tone from the A natural minor scale we are in. These tones, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. Here's our example. And a variation of this melody. But don't overthink it. Just start with a few notes per chord. Use little phrases. So let's go to the third step, a left hand accompaniment. We bring it to life with the left hand. At first, keep it simple. Play simple arpeggios like this. A minor, C major, G major, and D minor. Let's add our melody. Nice and simple. You can use, of course, chord inversions. A in the root position, and then this one, first inversion, or the second inversion. Same with our C chord, root position, first inversion, and second inversion. So let's apply a more complex arpeggiation using spread chords. A minor, we play A, E and the C here. The same for C major, C, G and E, and of course we can add chord tensions like this. A minor, let's add the 9 or the 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For the C, this is our 2 or 9. For the G, this is our 2 or 9, and so on. you can use the 4 of the chord, 1, 2, 3, 4 in our A minor. In our C major, we use the 4, so on. So let's combine it with our melody, the variations of our arpeggios, and all our chords. Have a listen. We will apply some variations. Use the different variations in your left hand and in your melodies and so on. There are a lot of options to discover. I will give you a bonus tip. Let's change the chord order. So instead of A minor, C major, G major and D minor, let's use first C major and then G major, and then D minor and A minor. We have to adjust our right hand with our melody. Let's try it. So on. That's it. 3 simple steps to start improvising on the piano. Learn your chords, create the melodies, and add a left-hand accompaniment. Remember, the more you experiment, the more personal your improvisations will become. I will keep repeating myself. You have such a wonderful musical gift. You can learn to improvise, no matter if you are a beginner or more advanced. But you need a structured path, one step at a time. Melodies, chords, arpeggios, voicings, dynamic, and so on. My free guide provides that structure of your learning path. You can download it in the description, for free of course. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more piano tips, and share your improvisation in the comments. I would love to hear them. Thanks for watching and happy playing. I will talk to you soon.